So today's Friday now we'll be doing a market breakdown on US30 using technical analysis. So we'll be going through how I trade US30 using technical analysis and the market analysis, everything. Yeah. And if you're new here to this channel, if you don't know what US30 is, US30 is a combination of 30 companies in the US. It's an index that track how these companies perform, either they lose or they win. So that's US30. Alright guys, so right now on my chart, uh, I have to move on to our bigger, that's the highest time frame, that's the daily time frame. Let me delete all these things. Okay. Alright, let's mark out our key area of support and resistance. So from here, if you observe, here is our major resistance, and you can see the market has already broken that level. That there is a structure, a break of structure there. The market broke above it and came down. So the market right now is trading below this level, so we should be expecting a sell on the market actually. But moving on to okay, so here is our nearest support here. This is our nearest support here. So the market is within this area now. Let's go on to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, on the 4-hour time frame now, we are seeing a bullish here. Now we've identified the direction of the market. We know the market is going to is trading below the recent or the major resistance above here, so you should be expecting a buy around that side. So clear all these things. Off. So guys, this is our recent support here, and if you observe, the market has been struggling to go below that level. You can see the market tested the area about 4 times. The first one being here, the second one is here, the third and the fourth. So you can see the market came down and it's now going up. The market is about to hit this our resistance here, so you should be expecting a sell around that area. Let's go on to the lower time frame for more analysis. So you can see there was a double bottom here. Sorry, I'm coming. Double bottom. In a 15 minutes time frame, you can see is it 15 minutes? Sure. So on the 1-hour time frame, we had a double bottom here. This is a double bottom here, and here. You can see the market is going up now and is about to get close to our resistance above here. So you should be expecting a sell around that side. It's going to be a sell there. So the next thing you should do now is you should look for your confirmation. Like, what's the chart saying? Like the candlestick, the chart patterns. What are you seeing around there? You can see the market is already rejecting. It's went there and is rejecting. So that's a key area. That's our zone of interest. You can see market has been struggling around that area, rejecting several times. Here, here, here. So if the market gets there, there is going to be a sell. The next thing you should do now is to look for your confirmation. That's by using your knowledge of candlestick patterns and chart patterns. Okay. So let's go over it again. So you can see on 5 minutes time the market is already rejecting. It's coming down. It's already coming down. So let's recap. As I said, when you open your charts, you first go on to the highest time frame. That's daily time frame. You identify your key areas, your supports, your key resistance, and your key supports. So as I said, we've identified our key resistance there, and the market broke the structure and came down. So the market currently is trading below the level. So we are expecting a sell on this market. So there was a short buy here. This was because the market came down to this area of support here, came down to this area of support, and you can see it was rejecting around that area and went shoot up. So we're having our key cycle level here, that is psychology level. So the market, if the market should get back there, the market definitely will fall, but we don't know what's going to happen. That's where you use your confirmation, your knowledge of the basic chart patterns, candlestick patterns. So that's that. Move on to the lower time frame for more analysis. So you can see even on 4-hour time frame, you can see a W pattern. Like the W pattern is clearly shown here, not like on the 1-hour chart. So here on the 4-hour time frame, we can see the W pattern is completely formed. Yeah, the neckline has been broken. Okay. Wow, this market is two ways. The reason why I said that is because we are seeing the W pattern here on the 4-hour time frame. The neckline has been broken. The market is trading above that neckline. So that's where the short buy came in. That's where the short buy came in. But now the market hits our cycle level. That's our current resistance here, and is rejecting. So there is going to be a massive sell on this market. Now going to 1-hour time frame, the W pattern is not it's formed too, but not as clearly on the 4-hour time frame. So four time frames. Now going down to the normal, the shorter time frames. Okay. There's it. Okay. So guys, that's that for the market analysis for this Friday. See you another time again.